back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to teach you how you can make your first £1,000 with digital products. So let's dive in. If you don't know me already, hi, I'm Romane. I am actually teaching passive income, but more exactly how to make money with digital products on social media. In the space of the last 3 years, I made more than 200k with social media, and I help others doing exactly the same online on Instagram, with Pinterest, with TikTok, and on YouTube. So today I'm going to explain you exactly what are the different steps you need to go through to make your first £1,000 with digital products. It's very beginner friendly. If you never started, if you don't have any audience on social media, you can totally do it. So let's dive in. So before to talk about the strategy, let's talk about what are digital products. Digital products are ebooks, courses, apps, membership, anything you can access to online, and generally they are teaching something or they are tools to help people achieve something. Why they are very popular at the moment, the digital product market and e-learning market is set to reach $850 billion in 2030. You want to be part of this because the learning curve of digital product is going up and up and is not ready to stop anytime soon. With everything we've experienced recently, a lot of people are now working from home and looking for education and tools online in order to basically perfect themselves, whether it's at work or for the education. The beauty of digital products is anyone can do it. If you have a laptop and a Wi-Fi and you have social media account, or you can create some, you can literally teach anything you want to anyone and get paid for it. Whether you like fashion, whether you like coding, gaming, or even plants, you can teach literally anything to anyone. The most important is to be known for something. So let's talk about what do you exactly need to get started. First, you will need a Wi-Fi and a laptop or an iPad or a tablet, no matter what it is, something where you can actually also create your digital product. You will need to have like social media accounts such as Instagram or TikTok, but I would always recommend to focus on TikTok because this platform has such a growth potential that is much higher than Instagram. You will be able to make money much quicker. You will also need some knowledge on Canva, but don't worry, if you are not a designer at all, you can always use templates you buy on Etsy, or even use like PowerPoint or Photoshop or Adobe if you really want to create your digital product. And finally, you will need the willingness of putting the work, because even digital products are such a great way of making money and so easy to scale. They are also taking time to set up. Once you have this setup, you will be relaxed and set for the rest of the year or even the rest of your life if you work really well. It will take you up to basically 30 days to have this recurring income coming again and again, but you can totally make £1,000 in the space of 10 days. And this is what we're going to talk about. The first thing you will need is to pick a niche. So what is a niche? A niche is something you want to be known for, something you are specialized in. It could be anything around like fitness for mom, or also like gaming for teenagers, or basically digital products as I'm doing right now, Instagram growth, TikTok growth, planting, growing your own food, cleaning. It could be literally anything, but something you are passionate about, or a problem you've already overcame yourself. Now let's talk about the digital product creation. If you are just getting started, there are 3 formats I would actually recommend you, that because they are the easiest to sell and the easiest to produce if you never ever produce a digital product. Is 1, an ebook, 2, a workbook, or 3, a digital planner. These are very easy to create because you can just go on Canva in the free version or the pro version, and actually you have templates in there. If you tap like digital planner, you will find templates for free in Canva you can use yourself and get inspired from to start your own digital product. If you want to create an ebook, I would recommend you to write the structure of your ebook, think about the theme, think about like the problem you are solving with your ebook. So we say like productivity while working from home, and basically write your whole content on a Word document and then buy a template on Canva. So basically you can just like copy and paste your content in the template and your ebook will be ready within hours or even within days if you were taking a bit more time. One thing really important when you are creating a digital product, you need to make sure you are solving a common issue in your niche. If you are too specific, you will end up not converting at all and not getting sales with your digital product because you're not solving an issue everyone has within your niche. Same, you need to be very conscious about who you are talking to. If we are talking about productivity while working from home, are we working with women mainly, or are we working with men? Are we working with teenagers who are studying, or are we working with people who are actually having a job and working from home? Because the messaging and the strategy and what you will put in your digital product will be very different. You need to be very conscious about who is your ideal client and who you are talking to in order to make sure you have a good digital product idea. Once you created your product, it's very easy. You're going to download it in PDF if you created a workbook, a digital planner, or even an ebook. And basically, you will want to think about a price point. This will depend on what you want, how much you want to make with this digital product, and how much work you've put in there. If you put quite a lot of work, you want to price it a bit more. But I would always recommend it to price less than £30 when you are just getting started and it is your first digital product. Why? Because when it's under this price, there is less resistance of people buying. They don't feel it, they're gonna lose a lot of money if they buy a product less than £30. Whereas when it's above this, they have like that second guessing, wondering if it's really worth it to spend this amount of money in a digital product, or if they will really going to get something away from the digital product. So under £30 would be better. What I would always recommend is the first time you launch your digital product, you put it at a lower price point, let's say at £19. And then the full price point could be at £27 later on, once you have tested and once you got a lot of people buying your digital product. Once you decided on the price of your digital product and you've actually designed it and downloaded it as a PDF, you need to host it on a hosting platform. My favorite of all is Standstore because it's very beginner friendly, and I would always recommend something that is easy to use for people who never did that. They have a lot of tutorials. It's very easy to upload your digital product, put your store in place and everything. If you want to get started with Standstore, I put a link just there in the description so you can get started and you are 14 days free. So basically, you really want to get started and host your digital product. You will have a link you will be able to copy and paste in your bio, and everything is automated, which means when people are clicking on your link in bio, they will have access to your store and they will be able to purchase your digital product, where the money will be automatically in Standstore and you will be able to withdraw it once you have made the payment. So basically, you really want to get started like this because it's easy. You are 14 days free. So I would always recommend to have everything ready before to open your Standstore. Like this, you can benefit totally from the 14 days. And after that, you can promote actively your digital product. I will give you like a few ideas on how you can market your digital products in order to make more sales and to reach £1,000. Once you've picked a niche, you want to solve a main issue in this niche. Let's say we took the niche about like productivity and working from home. We want to make sure we understand what people are struggling when they are working from home. They are being less productive because there is more distraction and they have difficulty to focus and to stick to basically working hours. So this could be a main issue, lacking of productivity when working from home. So the niche would be like working from home and the issue they are facing, the problem they're facing, like how to be more productive when working from home. And this is the issue you are going to solve in your content. There are so many places where you can actually access to content ideas, but what I would recommend you to do is to go on TikTok and to check basically like your own keywords like related to your content. So basically you will go on TikTok and you will go on the search bar and you will say like how to be more productive. And basically you will see all the content that are performing into your niche, and you want to reproduce the same kind of format, the same kind of, and give your own tips, the same kind of music, the same kind of background, the way they are producing it. If people are talking, if people are putting text over video, you want to pick the formats that are generally good for you, and you want to reproduce this with your own twist. You don't want to copy what people are doing. You just want to keep the format and put your own tips inside that. What you're gonna do do is you're going to post 3 to 5 times a day. It can seem overwhelming at the moment, but what I really recommend you is to check all the contents performing into your niche and to make sure you are saving them in order to reproduce them. Once you have a good bank of content, I want you to post like 3 to 5 times a day and to see extra growth. TikTok is all about posting more. It's not about engagement like Instagram. So more you're going to post, more TikTok is going to actually reward you. And in parallel, you also want to start creating a free digital product in order to drive people to your mailing list. So basically, you want to create something for free, for example, the productivity checklist you can use every day, and you want to put it in your link in bio where people can actually download it in exchange of their email. So you will be able also to contact them via email, but or to basically like promote your digital products much easier, like when they get something for free in exchange. To do this, like you will think about like one main issue people get into your niche, but that can be solved by a very small product that will be like the beginning of your whole digital product. For example, if you want to create an ebook about like the 5 strategies to be more productive at home while working, and basically you want to have maybe a checklist or maybe a little challenge people can download for free before to give them access to the ebook. You want to have something at very low cost in order to make sure once people have download the freebie, they can get access to the ebook very easily and are ready to pay to know what's next and what are the next strategies in order to basically achieve the transformation they want to achieve within your niche. So as we've mentioned just before, we said like when we are first starting to launch our digital product, we want to make sure our digital product is not too high price point. So we talk about something about £20. And £20 you will need actually to make 50 sales in order to make £1,000 with your digital product. And 50 sales is very easy to make. There are a few ways you can actually promote your digital product on TikTok or on Instagram, depending on where you are at. And I'm going exactly to tell you. First, you want to make sure you have the link in bio because people will be able to buy it by themselves if they want to. Second, you want to make sure you always promoting this product in your caption and in your content. You want when you are creating content to make sure you are like leading people towards this digital product. For example, you can say in your caption, if you want to learn more about XYZ inside your niche or the issue you are solving in your niche, like comment ebook to receive my ebook about specific niche. If you want to learn more about XYZ insert niche, go to my link in bio to like get access to that special offer on my ebook, like etc. This way, you are always directing people towards your digital products. You can't sell if you are not talking about your digital product. If you are not talking about what you are selling, it's going to be very difficult for people to know you are actually selling something. So you really want to make sure you are including that in the caption. You can also use TikTok and Instagram stories to remind people every day about your digital product. You can say like there is a special offer on your digital product and they can get it now. The third solution is to get in touch directly in DMs with people when they are actually interested in digital product or when they start following you. You can welcome them and ask them if they want to learn more about your niche or this specific issue. If they say yes, then you can copy and paste the link towards your digital product and make sure like they can actually have access to it and purchase it eventually. Just bear in mind that basically making £1,000 in 10 days with digital products, it's basically 5 sales a day from a digital product who is at £20. So you can totally do it. It is totally possible, whether you have a huge audience or a small audience. The most important is to keep posting content every day to drive traffic to your social media and to make sure people are actually aware about your digital product. So you want to make sure to repeat every day about your digital product, what kind of issue it's solving, and your content to be related to this issue in order to attract the right target audience and to make sure the people who are actually following you are interested in the digital product you are actually selling. Hopefully this video gave you a bit more insights about what are digital products and how you can actually make money out of it. But if you are ready to learn more and you want to become like a full-time digital product business or entrepreneur, you can always check my links below, and there is a free training on how basically you can make passive income on repeat with digital products, and I really invite you to get in there so you can basically learn even more about this. Also, subscribe to my channel if you want more news about like digital products, passive income, and how to make money online. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.